Do you want to learn a powerful word to say yes or agree officially? The word is approve. It's very useful in daily life and work. Approve means to officially accept or agree something. It shows permission or support for an idea, plan, or action. A common mistake is confusing approve with accept. You approve plans or requests formally, not just accept gifts or offers. Common patterns: approve of something, get approval for, and be approved by. You can approve a request or approve a document. The manager approved my vacation leave. The teacher did not approve of cheating. The city council approved the new park project. Have you approved the budget yet? Anna waited anxiously to hear if her boss would approve her report. When he finally said yes, she felt proud and relieved. Think of the word approve like a stamp of approval on a letter. It means permission or agreement has been given. Remember, approve means to agree officially. Try to use it today and leave a comment with a sentence using approve.